be bloody confusing, all these different Incoterms for shipping. DDP, for instance, what the hell does that mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what it means, and I'm also going to tell you when you might want to use DDP for your shipments. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that way I will know that you like this and I will give you much more of it. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I post brand new information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions about this video or indeed anything in general, just post below in the comments and I'll be sure to answer that personally for you too. Alright, with that being said, let's get into it.
DDP is delivery duty paid. No ifs, buts, any other bullshit about it. That's what it is. So if we quote you a DDP price, it includes all those fees, duty, tariffs, tax, VAT, whatever country it's going to, GST, door to door. Okay. The only extra cost that you would possibly get caught up with is if there's customs inspections, or in the States or the UK, problems at the port where there's delays. It has to stock has to be pre-pulled, pre-warehoused. That's a whole different story. But DDP simply is delivery duty paid, including GST, including duty for Australia, America, including duty and tariff if there's a tariff on it, which can be up to 25%, or the UK, duty and VAT. That's it. There's no, however, I'm seeing more and more now, because things are getting tight, and I haven't seen it before, but there's forwarders or factories that are quoting DDP term rates, but when it gets to the destination, the customer has to pay, is getting copped with the duty and GST bills. And that's wrong. And I've seen people speculating on the reasons why and why it should be, you know, probably why they're doing it and blah, blah, blah. Hang on, I'm just going to turn the fan on. Back in. It doesn't matter what the situation is. If they've quoted you DDP, it should include those fees. Otherwise, it's not DDP, it's DDU, delivery duty unpaid. Pure and simple. There's no other way around it. All right? So what I suggest, because we've had some that have said, oh, your price is a little bit higher. Now, we can't win every job. You know, it's impossible. No one's ever the cheapest. But if ever there's a big gap between our costs and someone else's, because we use 12 different shippers to get our pricing from. If ever there's a big gap between it, you should always come back to us and just mention it. Now, sometimes we can do something about it, or it may mean if there's a big gap, something's wrong. You know, just something's not right, because we're not normally too wrong on what we do. You know, we're pretty good at what we do. Now, so they'll ship it DDP. Now, DDP is an extra cost because someone's got to pay for the duty and VAT. All right. So there is a cost to it. So it shouldn't be the same as a DDU price. Usually, I mean, that's another story again. But DDP, everything should be paid for as far as duties and taxes.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're a community of over 2,500 e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. We're the fastest growing community here in Australia as well, with sales of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, follow the link below, and I'll see you on the inside. Till then, bye.